In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase the photo size in Systeme.io. To get started, log into your Systeme.io account and head to your dashboard. This is your main control center, where you can access all of your funnels, pages, and settings. Once you're on the dashboard, click on Sales Funnels. This will open the area where all of your funnel projects are stored. From there, select the funnel you want to work on. Make sure you choose the correct one, especially if you have multiple funnels, so you're editing the right page. After opening your funnel, click on the opt-in page. This is the page where your image is located. Then click Edit Page to launch the page editor. This will take you into the visual editor, where you can make changes directly on the page and instantly see how they affect the layout. Inside the editor, click directly on the image element that you want to enlarge. As soon as you select it, a settings panel will appear on the left side of the screen. This panel gives you control over the image's appearance and spacing. Next, go to the size and position section. This is where you'll make the main adjustments. Start by adjusting the padding. Padding affects the space inside or around the image area, and changing it can help the image appear larger or give it more room to stand out depending on your layout. Then adjust the width and height settings. These controls directly affect the size of the image on the page. Increase them gradually so you can keep the image looking balanced and properly aligned with the rest of your content. A good tip here is to make small changes and watch the preview as you go, rather than making the image too large all at once. You can also adjust the margin if needed. Margin controls the outer space around the image. If your image feels too close to other elements, or if increasing the size makes the layout look crowded, changing the margin can help create cleaner spacing and improve the overall look of the page. Once you're happy with the image size and placement, click Save. This ensures that all your changes are stored properly. That's it. By selecting the image, opening the size and position settings, and adjusting the padding, width, height, and margin, you can easily make a photo larger in Systeme.io while keeping your page neat and professional.